God damn, it be so clean. We doing the bumper and the hood, the fenders, and the mirrors. That thing's so clean, my God. It's like a James Bond shit. Dang. Woo. Yeah, I'm gonna freak this one.
So you put waves on the tricks.
I gotta sand it and glazed it. Glazed the hell out of it. I sanded the whole bumper, so I'm gonna just pound the whole bumper. But the hood, I just sanded this front part down here, and then everything up here I just glazed, cause I don't wanna have to put a whole bunch of product.
So you put waves on the tricks.
Nothing is permanent but change. Write it down. Nothing is permanent but change. So there's somebody in this room, you failed a test, and you're acting like it's permanent. You broke right now. I'm talking to somebody today like, I'm 25 years old, I don't have no money, babe. I said, okay, and? Did you just hear what I said? I said, what did you just say? I'm broke, I'm about to get evicted from my house, I don't have anything. I said, okay, and? Like, talk to me like, you talking like it's the end of the world. What are you saying? I'm broke. Bro, let's do this. Don't focus on the fact that you broke. Focus on the fact that nothing is permanent. That you broke in 2017, but 2018 coming. As a matter of fact, don't keep telling me you broke. Just say you want a financial transition. When you say broke, that's permanent. When you say broke, that's a death sentence. Nothing in life is permanent. I'm a high school dropout. Nothing in life is permanent. I got a PhD. I was homeless, sleeping in the bed.